Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to another episode of Product Talk. And today I have this product to talk to you guys about. And so that's what we're going to be doing. Now, this product does this. It holds all of your cables that otherwise would fall off your desk, and you're left scrambling, wasting your time to find those cables which are at the bottom of your desk, and grab them and again connect them to your devices. This product helps you solve that problem altogether. I've not tried this personally, I just bought it and I'm just going to be rambling about this product. So let's see how it goes. This is how the product is going to look like. It costs about 49 rupees for six of these. What do I call them? Six of these wire organizers. That's what they're calling it. It cost about 49, 6 units. It's manufactured by this company, which is in Daman. So this product comes all the way from Daman in India, their islands, and they also have a website. So let me go ahead and see how these products are going to feel in my hands, and then I'm going to judge based on how they feel as to how well I think they're going to be performing. So let me go ahead and rip these off and try to pull one of them out. So we have one of these organizers in my hand. So it's from the company called Fine Edge. Kind of replicates the Intel Inside logo. We have some instructions here, or instruction, which is clean surface with dry cloth before applying two-sided tape. So this is the two-sided tape that they want you to peel off, and then peel off the covering, and then stick it wherever you want to hold your cables. So this is how the cable is going to sit inside the slot. It looks pretty okay. This is also flexible in case you have thicker cables. What is this is a fine product, and they have named their product Fine Edge, which is very apt. So that's about it. Very quick product talk. You have this in different colors. Costs just 49 rupees, so less than $1. So go ahead, give it a try if you're really interested. But that's about it. Follow Product Talk on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Google Plus. I'll be doing a lot of product talks and live product reviews over there. I'll catch you guys in another video. Until then, well, Fine Edge. That's what you need to keep your cables not organized, but keep your cables in a very reachable position from where you do your work. So that's about it. I'll see you in another video.